3. The conflict phase, disillusionment stage. I'm tired. The conflict phase is often the most emotionally draining and fragile stage of marriage. What began as disappointment in the reality phase can deepen into discouragement and emotional exhaustion. Hope may feel dim, communication strained, and connection weakened.
I can't believe you would say that.
Please, let me explain.
Explain what, that you lied?
No, I never meant to.
This is the stage where love feels heavy.
I know it looks bad, but it's not what you think.
Then what is it? Because I'm tired of excuses.
Please, just let me explain.
Core characteristics. 1. Emotional distance.
Why won't you just talk to me?
I don't know what to say.
Anything is better than this.
Conversations become surface level. Vulnerability decreases. Partners may feel alone even while living under the same roof. 2. Hurtful words.
I can't believe you're doing this again.
And I'm not. You're always blaming me.
Because you never listen.
I'm sorry.
Frustration turns into criticism, sarcasm, or blame.
How could you let this happen?
I didn't mean for it to.
You always say that.
I'm sorry.
Words may be used as weapons rather than bridges. 3. Withholding affection. Physical touch, intimacy, encouragement, and warmth may be reduced or used conditionally. 4. Resentment builds.
I can't believe you.
You started this.
You're impossible.
Just stop.
Unresolved conflicts accumulate. Old wounds are revisited.
You always prioritize work over us.
That's not fair. I need to for our future.
What about our present?
I'm here now.
Small issues trigger larger emotional reactions.
Look at me when I'm talking to you. Please stop.
I can't do this.
This is your fault.
I know. I'm sorry.
5. Thoughts of giving up. One or both partners may quietly question whether the marriage is worth continuing. Why this phase is so dangerous? This is the stage where emotional or physical affairs can happen. Divorce becomes a serious consideration. Couples stop trying to repair what is broken.
Are you even listening? What's the point?
When exhaustion replaces effort, disconnection deepens. Many couples misinterpret this stage as proof that love has died.
I can't believe you did this.
It's not what you think.
And what is it? Tell me. Please, just listen to me.
In reality, it often signals that deeper issues, unmet needs, pride, unrealistic expectations, poor communication, or unhealed personal wounds are surfacing.
This is the problem.
Please, not again.
You always do this.
I'm sorry.
What's really happening? The conflict phase exposes selfish patterns, emotional immaturity, and unhealthy coping mechanisms.
This is the 3rd time this month.
I know. I'm just so tired.
We have to fix this.
It forces both partners to confront themselves, not just each other. The tension here is not just between spouses, it is between pride and humility, self-protection and vulnerability, control and surrender.
In the intimacy phase, no mask,
The critical truth.
no hidden pain.
This phase does not mean love is dead. It means selfishness is being challenged. It is an invitation to grow beyond ego and emotional reaction. Couples who move through this stage successfully learn accountability instead of blame, empathy instead of defensiveness, forgiveness instead of scorekeeping, intentional love instead of emotional convenience. The turning point. The conflict phase can either break a marriage or break unhealthy patterns within the marriage. If both partners choose growth,
I'm sorry.
Me too. Let's talk.
humility, and effort,
It's okay, I'm here.
I just feel so overwhelmed.
We'll get through this together.
Thank you.
This stage becomes a refining fire, painful but purifying. Handled well, it leads to deeper maturity, renewed respect, and a stronger foundation than ever before. What feels like the end can become the beginning of something far more intentional and enduring.
Every stage, I still choose you.